Hello everyone, welcome to my class. Today I am going to explain you NCERT Class 4 EVS Chapter 16 A Busy Month. In my previous video, I have explained about different birds and their characteristics in details. If you missed that video, please go to description section. Chapter 16 A Busy Month. This chapter is related to birds wrote by Gijubhai. Gijubhai lived in Gujarat. He wrote many stories for children. In this letter, you will learn about some of the birds that you see all around. Let's read what Gijubhai written here. Dear children, it is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. There are no clouds in the sky. The sun is burning hot. The sparrows, doves, and sunbird have started working in pairs as they prepare to make their nest. Some of the birds have already made their nest. In some of the nests, the eggs have hatched. Hatched means production of baby chick. The parent birds are busy feeding the chicks with different kinds of insects and other things. In our courtyard also, there is a baby dog. There is another egg in the nest, but it has not hatched yet. This is a picture of dog. On the way to Gopal Bhai's house, there are many stones along the roadside. In the space between these stones, an Indian robin has laid its eggs. Bachchu Bhai showed it to me. I looked through the binoculars. This is the binocular and this is the picture of Indian robin bird. I saw that the nest was made of grass. On the top, there were soft twigs, roots, wool, hair and cotton wool. This is a picture of the nest of robin. This is how the robin makes its nest. What a soft and cozy home for its chicks. The robin is not like the crow. A crow's nest is made of all kinds of things, even pieces of wire and wood. Next is, I saw a baby bird in the robin's nest. It was sitting with its beak wide open. The mouth was red from inside. In a little while, the robin flew to the nest and put something in the chick's open beak. Maybe a small insect. By then it was evening. The robin settled down with its chick. This is all about the Indian robin bird. Now next bird is, you know that quail sings sweetly. This is the picture of quail. Do you know that this bird does not make its own nest? It lays its egg in a crow's nest. This is the characteristic of quail. It does not make its own nest. It lays its eggs in a crow nest. The crow hatches them along with its own eggs. This is the goal. There is a small tree nearby. It has a nest hanging from its branch. Birds are so wonderfully different. The crow built its nest high up on a tree. As you can see in this picture, crow builds its nest high up on a tree. The dog makes its nest among the thorn of a cactus plant or a mehndi house. This is a picture of dog nest. It makes its nest in mehndi tree. The sparrow can be found in and around our own house. It makes its nest anywhere, on top of a cupboard, behind a mirror, on a ledge. Pigeons also make their nest like this. This is the characteristic of sparrow and pigeon. Often they make nest in old or deserted building. The barbet or coppersmith bird can be heard in summer with its tuk 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 call. It makes its nest in a hole in a tree or trunk like woodpecker. And the tailor bird uses its sharp beak to stitch together two leaves on a bush. This is the tailor bird. This is the characteristic of tailor bird. It can stitch two leaves together. It lays its egg in the fold of the leaf that it has made. This is its nest. This is the nest of tailor bird. Next bird is sunbird. Sunbird makes a nest that hangs from the branch of a small tree or a bush. As you can see, this is a sunbird. The same evening we saw a sunbird nest. Can you guess what its nest is made of? The nest has hair, grass, thin twine, dry leaves, cotton wool, bits of tree bark, pieces of clothes, even spider cobwebs. When I looked through the binoculars, I could see a chick in the nest. It was sitting near the small opening in the nest. It was waiting for its mother to bring some food. What else can it do? Just eat and sleep. Yes, chick, just eat and sleep. Next bird is weaver bird. Do you know about the weaver bird? The male weaver bird make beautiful woven nest. Female looks at all the nest and choose the one that she likes the best and decides in which to lay her eggs. This is the characteristic of weaver bird. Only male weaver bird make nest and female look at all the nests and choose the one that she likes. Now, all the birds are so busy these days. Making a nest and laying the egg is the only first step. It is a difficult task to raise the young ones in the nest, which had been made with so much effort. Yes, bird has done so much effort to make its nest. Birds have many enemies, humans and other animals too. Crows and squirrel, cats, rats, all of them wait for a chance to steal the eggs. Many times they even break the nest. To keep oneself safe from danger, to find food, make a nest, hatch the eggs and raise the chicks safely. All these are tests for the every bird. And why how the bird still sing and joy and spread their wings and free fly. This is all about the bird. Letter is written by Gizubai in 1936 about the bird.
Next are some question answer related to this letter. How many years ago did Gizubhai write this letter? This letter wrote in 1936. Find out how old your grandfather and grandmother were at that time. My grandfather and grandmother were not born at that time. This letter talks about many different birds. How many of these birds have you seen? I have seen dog, crow, quail, pigeon, and weaver bird. Question number 4. How many other birds have you seen? Which ones? I have seen several other birds like sparrow, parrot, manna, owl, eagle, and peacock. Have you seen a bird's nest? Where did you see it? Yes, I have seen a bird's nest. It was made on the branch of a tree in the park. Which is your favorite bird? Can you show your friends in the class how it flies? Yes, my favorite bird is penguin. It cannot fly. It is a flightless bird. Children, write down your own answer. I am giving you just example. Next, children, guess what this bird is. A crown on the head and quine on the tail. So many shades of blue from top to tail. Clue, it is a national bird. Yes, this bird is peacock. Do you know of any other bird that makes its nest in a tree trunk like the barbet does? Yes, it is a woodpecker. Woodpecker makes its nest in a tree trunk like the barbet. Children, if there is a nest inside or around your house, look carefully at it. Remember, do not go too near the nest and do not touch it. If you do, then the bird will not come to the nest again Observe the nest for some day and note down the following thing. Where is the nest made? The nest is made in the balcony of our neighbor house. What is the nest made of? It is made of straw and sticks. Is the nest ready or are the birds still making it? Yes, it is ready. Can you recognize which bird has made the nest? Yes, pigeon has made this nest. What things does the bird bring to the nest? Pigeon brings hay and sticks to the nest. Question number 13. Do you think there are any eggs in the nest? Yes, there are eggs in the nest. Can you hear any sound like chee chee from the nest? Yes, I can hear sound like chee chee from the nest. What do the parents bring for them to eat? Parents bird bring seeds, grain, fruit, crumbs for them to eat. How many times in 1 hour do the birds come to the nest? The birds come for about 2 to 3 times in a hour. After how many days did the chicks leave the nest? 25 to 32 days the chicks leave the nest. Next is animal teeth. You have seen that animals have different types of teeth. It again depend upon their eating habits. Some are carnivore, some are omnivore, some are herbivore. First is cows. Cow have different short front teeth for snipping grass. The teeth on the sides are large and flat for chewing and the grass. Cats have sharp teeth for tearing and cutting the meat. Snakes have sharp curved teeth, but they do not chew their prey. Snakes always swallow their food whole. Squirrel front teeth keep growing throughout their life. They have to keep gnawing on the things to keep their teeth from becoming too long. This is the characteristic of squirrel teeth, keep growing throughout their life. Thank you. Please like and subscribe my channel.